Welcome to Barber Pro AI, your all-in-one barber AI business management system to help you get more clients, grow your business, and automate using AI. There are 5 reasons why most barbershops are struggling to grow. Number 1 is they're using obsolete technology. These are outdated, separated, or even complex booking systems that's actually preventing them from booking more appointments. Number 2 is manual work overload. As you increase in clients, the more additional tasks such as following up and scheduling calendar becomes overwhelming for most barbershops. Number 3 is there's no automated follow-up. Barbers have to send out reminders, promotions, links to Google reviews, and even rebooking offers, but as you increase in clients, it's simply overwhelming to do it manually. Number 4 is depending on staff. Relying on humans to answer the phone, book appointments, and manage the schedule cuts down on efficiency and prevents barbers from fully booking their calendar. And lastly, lost revenue. There's no shows and last-minute cancellations, and those have to be rescheduled manually, which leads to wasted time and money. Meet Barber Pro AI, your all-in-one AI business apps for barbers. It's like hiring an AI robot to take care of all the manual tasks in running your business. You get a custom branded website with booking and payment options, automated email and text reminders, self-check-in kiosks for walk-ins, automated review follow-up to increase Google reviews, loyalty program to retain customers and keep them coming back, an AI website chatbot that's available 24/7 to answer customer questions and do scheduling. And lastly, AI receptionist that's available 24/7 to answer calls, book appointments, and handle client questions over the phone with no human needed. You get a custom branded website that looks great on mobile devices, personalized to your brand and business. Using a tablet or a QR code, you can organize your walk-ins and waiting clients. You get instant mobile notifications for any new booked appointments and even cancellations. Plus, you can respond to your clients by text message, by email, or through social media, all using the app. The clients will get text and email reminders of their upcoming appointments with options to reschedule and cancel. You get a sales pipeline where you can organize all your new leads, ones to be followed up, all your appointments booked, ones for next visit, and even clients that have not booked within 60 days. Also, you can stay on top of your business. All these systems have one goal: to help you achieve full booking capacity without adding additional work. Here's an example of the AI chatbot on your website. You can ask questions like, where are you located, and even what hours are you open? You can even book appointments using the chatbot, and it knows your availability. Let's demo the AI Voice Receptionist and give my barbershop a call.
Hi, this is John's Barbershop. How may I help you?
Yes, where are you located?
We are located at 215 S. Robertson Boulevard in Beverly Hills. Would you like to book an appointment?
Yes, is Wednesday available at 9 a.m.?
Let me check. Yes, it's Wednesday at 9 a.m. is available. What's your name?
Jack Smith.
Great to meet you, Jack Smith. What's your phone number?
555-4523.
You're all booked for Wednesday at 9 a.m., Jack. Thank you for calling John's Barbershop. Goodbye.
Thank you so much. Barbers that use Barber Pro AI generate an additional 40% of revenue. So take the next step and go to barberproai.com or use the QR code on our screen to book a free demo and see how the system can transform and automate your barbershop. Plus, for a limited time only, you could get started with a free 2-week trial, no credit card needed. Thank you, and I'll see you at the demo.